I'm up here talking, y'all. My microphone wasn't even on. Sorry about that. But yeah, how y'all feeling today, man? Today I feel good, man. I feel real good. Just came back in from my walk like I usually do every morning. I'm filled with prosperity, peace. Oh, man, I feel good. I hope y'all feeling the same, man. I got my water, but I need to get some more. This was my morning walk water. I love this thing, man, because it keeps the water cold the whole time. And I'm a fiend for cold water, man. But that sound that you guys hear, that is this news indicator right here, right? I have this on my chart to let me know what news is happening, what news is about to happen. The way I have it set is, I have it set to start alerting me every 10 minutes. Well, I'm sorry, 10 minutes before the news come out, and 1 minute after 10 minutes, every minute after that, it gives me that sound to keep me alert and keep me abreast of what's going on, what's about to happen. So today we got unemployment claims at 8:30. We got, and that's a high impact. That's a high impact news item. Medium impact is the U.S. Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. And we got some other stuff going on throughout the day at 10 o'clock. So we always want to be mindful and prepared for any kind of volatility that may come into the market. So we got 3 minutes before this actual news event come. I'm gonna run and grab me a water real quick. Y'all know what it is. Be right back. All right. I'm back. Check me out. But yeah, so today, it looked like man, the market's been just dropping all night long. The NASDAQ right now has moved 176.25 points. As we can see, the average for 20 days is about 230 points. Yesterday it went nuts, dropping 308 points because of the FOMC news. And maybe later on we'll go over what the FOMC news was talking about. But for right now, we can see that the NASDAQ is down 176 points. The ES is down 38 points. The ES is basically moved more than half of its range. Just moved 38.50 points so far. Yesterday it moved 65. It went crazy as well. The 20-day average for the NASDAQ, for the ES, is about 45.75 points on average. So seems like today we can expect for more volatility. So we got about 1 minute before the news hit. So I'm gonna bring y'all to the chart to see exactly how news can affect these markets. We're on a 1 minute Heikin-Ashi chart, and you will see how volatile news reports can be. I'm not trading the news. I'm not for this special segment. I'm only trading from 9:30 to whenever I feel like I'm comfortable enough. My goal is 500, but that really depends on mental capital and how market is moving as well. I apologize about yesterday. I had an emergency where I had to leave early, so Lou took over. So yeah, I had to leave early. See, there you go. See that quick movement right there? That's volatility. These white lines you see here are my drawn out levels of support, previous support areas where price reacted from. So we see that it blew past this area here and maybe going down to this area here, which is the 50, but we'll see. They pushing. Wow. See that? That was a massive move right there. It closed here and then opened up here. That was crazy. But yeah, so both of those levels of support has been broken. So this prompts me to go back and look on a bigger time frame and see what's kind of going on. I'm gonna go 15 minutes. So what I'm looking for, I'm gonna have to go to a bigger time frame, go to an hour time frame. I'm looking for the last time price came to this area for possible support zones. Let's see. I'm gonna do a year.
Order filled.
All right, so here, it's still calculating. So here is that zone I drew, and I drew it because, again, like I say, this was an area where price obviously came down to and just ran all the way up. So next support level could be here. So I'll draw a line here. And I'll draw a line here. Okay. So, yeah, we're gonna be mindful of those areas. That's not what I want. Put this on all charts. All right. Like here, I drew this area here and it came down to this zone, ran back up, came down to the zone again. Came down to the zone again, got bought up, came down to the zone again, got bought up, and then it finally broke through. And then it came back up and acted as support again and got bought up, and then it just fell. The news from yesterday just made it go crazy. But yeah, so these are our next levels of support. 14,900. We haven't been to the 14,000 since here, which was August 25th. August 25th. So, yeah, we got that there. 8:34. We got about an hour before the New York session opens. So what we're gonna do is go back down to our 1 minute Icanashi chart. I did me some juicing this morning too, man. Definitely did some juicing. I'm on this health journey, man. You know, health is wealth. So I've been doing the 75 hard challenge, man. I failed that challenge about 3 times, man, honestly. But I didn't let those failures stop me. Didn't let them stop me. All right, so we're going to get into my cat, man. My cat like to trade with me, so every time I come into my trading environment, he'd be right here with me behind my TV. All right, so we got to get our Google Sheet together. Make sure we do our ranges for the day. Give me a second. Back there messing with my camera. Come on, man. Get off my camera. All right, so Google Sheet. Sorry about that, y'all. My cat is acting unusual. That may be great. All right. What we got? All right, so I'm gonna start with oil. Oil. Yesterday's close for oil was 89.23. The projection open to high for oil is 90.49. Projection open to low, 88.62. ES, which is the S&P 500, it's the futures contract of the S&P 500. The yesterday's close for the ES is 44.25. Open to high, projection open to high for the ES, 44.63. Projection open to low, 44.1975. All right, now back to Bay B. All right, so yesterday's close for the NASDAQ, 15,133.25. 15,133.25. Projection open to low. Open to high. 15,225.75. 15,225.75. Projection open to low. 15,10.25. All right, so again, we are still on a 17 brick. That's just crazy. I don't know, that's weird. But let me fix the ES. 4 brick for the 4 brick for oil, 3 brick for ES, 17 brick for NASDAQ, which I'm gonna probably do a 16 brick. And now let me put in what the initial account balance that we are at now for that account that we are doing. I gotta disconnect and reconnect real quick because I gotta get rid of these commissions. Like I said, yesterday was an okay day, man. I think we left like up like 150, somewhere around there, because I had to go. I had an emergency. So I had to go real quick. But we left up. We didn't leave down. That's a good thing. So today we are still going off of the thesis of trend and price action. Trend and price action. Trend and price action. That's what we're looking at for today. Just waiting for everything to load back up. Oil is doing a nice run to the upside. Yeah, so right, so we got our brick sizes for the day. Yeah, so looking at oil, let's take a look at oil real quick, man. Oil been kind of really moving overnight from yesterday. Right now I can see a level of resistance here, which is the yesterday's open price. I'm sorry, not yesterday's open price. Here, this fib from yesterday seems to be a spot of resistance, which is a solid dollar, 90-ish, 90.02, 90. Yeah, psychological solid dollar. So yeah, we got that going. Also, just to give another update on the account that we are at, we are where we at? Sorry about that, y'all. Had to get that vibe going. But oil been running since it came down here to this demand zone. As you can see, that was definitely a double bottom. So that is a pattern. That is a pattern that you have to recognize in the market, double bottom, which means that, you know, once it comes down to a certain area and it gets rejected or it gets bought up and it comes back down to that area, that is considered a retest. So it retested that area. That is a very bullish, a bullish sign right there. Now, when you get to triple bottom, then yeah. So the triple bottom is it's gonna come down here. It's gonna get bought up. It's gonna come back down here, because basically what it's saying is the buyers in this area is looking to push the price up. So and buyers are bulls, sellers are bears. So when you hear the term bull and bear, you basically saying that, well, this is the analogy that I got from it. Bears swipe down when they attack. So that means that they looking to knock you down. Bulls have horns and they attack you and they go from the ground up. And they attack with their bull horns, so they trying to throw you up there. So that's the kind of analogy that I got from it. Which is pretty cool, you know. So, all right, so we have this account. Right now the account is at $51,126.84. We need to hit 53,000. So we are almost halfway there. This is day 3 of trading this account. So Like I say, this is the road to fund it. We looking to get this account funded, hopefully within 7 days. But if it take a little bit more than 7 days, I'm perfectly cool with that. I'm not trying to force anything. Just trying to go with the vibe and do what we do every day as traders. Get better and better. So we got that going. What else? I feel like we missed. Oh, affirmations, man. Affirmations. We got to get our affirmations in, man. Start our day with positivity, man. And prosperity, positive thinking, positive environment. All right, so let me turn this music down a little bit, man. I ain't gonna lie, this beat is fire, man. Like this may be the theme song for every live session. All right, so so I am doing my best, and that is always enough. Nothing will get in the way of my good thoughts. Everything I did was enough. I radiate peaceful energy. I allow positivity to flow through me, making each day happier than the one before. I am a powerful being. I resolve to choose nutritious foods that satisfy my hunger in healthy ways. I am consistent. I am allowed to stumble as long as I get up and keep walking forward with my head high. I am grateful for health, prosperity, and true love. I can accomplish anything. I maintain a positive mindset during the day. There are no limits to what I can achieve. I am in control of my stress. I appreciate all of the challenges that come my way. I radiate confidence. I am in control of my future and will succeed. Good habits keep me focused. I let go of old habits in order to get the life of my dreams. I am grateful for this body, this mind, and this soul. I can handle anything that comes my way. I am valuable and I know my worth. There are no limits to what I will achieve today. I am moving better towards health. I am moving towards better health. It's crazy how you can read something, but your mind processes it in a whole different way. And it was fluid too. I connect with and listen to my breath. I am worthy of love and respect. I stand up for myself and my beliefs at all times. I believe in my skills. I know peace is my currency. Everything I desire is already mine. I am willing to be vulnerable. I feel my body and mind strengthening every day. I go easy on myself in any situation. I am getting closer and closer to my dream life. All right, so let's get into some money motivation. Money won't create success. The freedom to make it will. That's from the great Nelson Mandela. Formula for success: rise early, work hard, strike oil. That's by J. Paul Getty. Money doesn't change people, it unmasks them. And that's a fact. That's a fact. So if you know somebody with some money and they acting the way they are, they always been like that. Money just intensifies it. If you cool, you cool. If you're an asshole, you're gonna be a bigger asshole.
Order filled.
Not he who has much is rich, but he who gives much. Eric Fromm. I find out what the world needs, then I go ahead and invent it. Thomas Edison. Rich people are committed to being rich. Poor people want to be rich. T. Harv Eker. You don't manifest dreams without taking chances. Stephen Richards. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Jim Rohn. And this is the last one. You can make excuses and earn sympathy, or you can make money and earn admiration. The choice is always yours. I can't pronounce his name. It's Manoj. Aura, something. I don't know. All right. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, being in this game, being in this market, in this environment, you gotta have mental clarity. You gotta release all negativity. You have to release all bad thoughts. You have to release all self-doubt. And you have to let in positivity. You have to let in love. You have to let in consciousness. You have to let in prosperity. You have to let in abundance, because if this is what you want, you have to focus on what you want. You have to focus on the positivity. You have to focus on the process and make it happen. Let's go. What else am I looking at? All right, so we gotta make sure we set up our I'm gonna do some analysis real quick. Oil market about to open up. Yeah, the oil market about to open up. So ooh, excuse me. Again, if y'all hear some stuff in the background and it's not on the screen as far as order field, target field, stop field, I have some stuff running on a different workspace that I'm testing out, just trying to gather some data. So keep that in mind, keep it in mind, keep it in mind. So the oil market just opened. They may be looking to close their gap because they are at the projected, or close to the projected highs. So hopefully they be looking to close the gap in some form or fashion. pushing up past that resistance area that I talked about earlier. And they are off to the races. They trying to get somewhere. To the 1 minute chart on oil. I'm gonna point something out to y'all real quick. One pattern that I think has been very successful for me is the bull and bear flag. And I can see one right here. You got the run up, you got the short profit taken, and then back to the upside. So that's what we that's what we looking to get to. Unless oil want to act unusual and just go insane today. Yesterday it went 211, which was way out of its range. And yeah, 211. But yeah, so oil is at the projected range high, and 20-day ADR. So when I said earlier about oil doing, not just oil, just these markets, when they there's this indicator that we have, it is a average of points being moved on the 20-day, 20-day, 10-day, 5-day, 3-day. The average move for oil is $1.86. So when you see this purple right here, this is what that means. This is the $1.80. This is where for 20 days is where it's ranging at. So it's at the range area, but also yesterday it went to its range area and blew past that. So can we expect for a bigger run? We could. I mean, we have levels that let us know, like, hey, where it could go, where, where it's projected to go. But always remember, none of this stuff is for certain. None of it is 100% for certain. None of it is anything, but it does help us, give us a higher probability of where to stop shorting, stop buying. So that definitely helps a trader in his journey, having these kind of data series and indicators to help. Oh, damn, I didn't even see you in there, bro. We got Next Trade Lou in the building. What's going on?
What's going on, brother?
Can't call it, man. Just trying to, on this road to fund it, man. Road to fund it.
Road to fund it. Road to fund it series. Let's get it.
I might be looking at
I got some accounts in the same spot you're at too. Add into the family.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm looking at a possible bear flag. I mean, yeah, bear flag on the Nasdaq. Possible bear flag. Depends on how you look at it. When I start seeing moves like this go in this direction, I'm typically looking for something to, continue to the downside here. But it's kind of hard to say because, again, remember, it's almost a U.S. Open time, and we do got market participants that may be looking to close the gap. And the gap, I mean by from this point here to this point right here, yesterday's close. So they may be looking to get price back up there, but we've been in such a bearish environment lately. It's kind of really hard to tell. Now, Nasdaq is close to its projected low range, and it's also close to its 20-day ADR range, right? The Nasdaq has moved 205 points already, and the market ain't even open yet. So that's a lot of volatility overnight to push it down like that. So yeah. So to get into the grand scheme of things, this series is called The Road to Funded, where I'm going to be trading a live account. And on this live account, we're going to be using the funding partner Apex. I found that Apex has, in my opinion, has been the best funding partner out there, man. I know there's been a lot of talk in the trading world about, funding partners and MFF and all this kind of stuff. Hold on one second. I got another person that reached out to me asking about the funding process with Apex on Facebook. So I'm just responding to him. He said, I just passed 3 of the 50K accounts. Will I be able to switch to micros to save the account? Still have 7 days. Still have to pass the 7 days. So yeah. And like I say, we use Apex. We use other funding partners as well, Lilu, One Up. But for me, I think the best funding partner right now is Apex because they have a group. They're very responsive. They have a very good website. They have a very good Facebook group. I wish they had a Discord. I don't think they got a Discord, but they have a community of traders. It's actually ran by a trader, and he's very responsive. He's very intuitive with his group, his people. I think that is a good indication of a good company when the actual owner is very vested in building with his traders. So if you guys looking to start your own journey and want to trade the futures market, click the link in the bio. Click the link in the description, and go ahead and start your Apex journey. Right now, up until the 27th, you can get 80% off your first evaluation, and then 80% off per month for your subscription for your evaluation. So go ahead and click on that link. Also, if you are not new to this and you're looking to add some more accounts to what you already have, you can also click the link in the description and get you some more accounts for 80% off. We also use what's called a trade copier, which allows you to copy trades over multiple accounts, right? Copy trades over multiple accounts, which is a wonderful thing because it's kind of hard, staying in flow when you have to switch to multiple accounts every time. Let me trade this account, let me trade that account, let me switch to this and switch to that. It's like, you know what? Sometimes it can, if you're not ready for it, then I would suggest that you just do it one by one. But if you're confident in your process, if you're confident in your trading, take one trade and have it copied over into all your other accounts. That's like having a job, working one job and getting paid for more than one. You're doing the same work, but you're getting paid as if you did 2, 3, 4 separate jobs. So keep that in mind. Definitely keep that in mind. All right, so oil done ran up to the projection high. It may look 217 points. That's unusual for oil. It's only unusual in the grand scheme of the 20-day ADR. So yeah.
Order filled.
We got about 17 minutes before the market open. Today I'm gonna be trading with the trend and price action. Bring y'all over to my chart. Let me go ahead and get you over there. You can see Nasdaq been moving. I kind of like we want to go to a bigger brick just to, it seemed like a lot of price action trades. Not really a day for go time, but more so just the MFI by itself. Make sure I got everything set up. Strategy trend. Okay, 147. All right. Oh no. I don't know if it's going to be too trendy today because it has been in a down trend all night long. Never changed it. It changed it right here, but that was because of what? Why did it change it? Because it came down to the low of the day.
Top filled. Order filled.
$14 minutes for market open. Like I said, we got the trend, and I'm gonna be using this order box over here in conjunction with go time and also the MFI. So if it gets into this extreme, I'm going to be taking price action trade. Like here. And it's extreme. Probably would have took a loss on this. Well, not yet because it would be at the trend line, but when it gets into these extremes, like here, extreme, that's the check. Oh yeah, just patiently waiting. What you think oil gonna do, man? It's been, looking for a continuation to the upside, or they're gonna come back down and test a solid dollar.
You asking in general, or you asking what I think?
You.
Well, yesterday, here's what I'll say about oil.
It got knocked down crazy yesterday from the
It got knocked down crazy, and I think we called it. They came off the 91 solid dollar. They had moved, I think the 20 ADR at that time was 186. They moved about 207, and they got dropped down. So they're respecting that $2 range. What they're also respecting is the 50% move. So every time they do an extreme to the upside or to the downside, they'll do a retracement, either back up or back down to the 50%, do a big response, and then go which way they're gonna go. So I think we could potentially see it come down to the 89.50 area at some point. The bounce there, hold, and then break through, but we will see what happens. But again, as you mentioned, oil's already done their move. They've done their $2 move. And oil right now, they've been uptrending since 5 o'clock. So every time there's a trade signal, they just running. And they running right now. Let's get it.
Running right now. But we seen this yesterday, though.
We seen this yesterday.
This area up here is heavy resistance.
Mm-hmm.
And this is what? Prior days open? Yep, the prior days open price. Where it's at now?
Prior day open at the 6 o'clock open.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Prior days. Let's try that. I don't have
$2.26.
Sure. So let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see what you're talking about. Okay. Which is also the previous sessions closed as well. So yeah, that's definitely a level to look out for. That's a good call. So, always gotta respect levels.
9 minutes for the market open. Yes, sir. That was a perfect bull flag right there on
One
oil.
more thing to mention. Oh, my bad, you about to say something?
No, I was saying that was a perfect bull flag on oil.
Yeah, it was. So what I was gonna mention too was we are approaching the New York Open, which for a lot of the traders that are moving big positions, they use this time to try and gap close. So oil's official open is 9 a.m. as we know, but there's also the New York Open, or which is essentially the global open. That's when a lot of the money is entering the market. If you move in big money and you want to get all your transactions in, you typically wait till 9:30 because that's when a lot of volume comes in. And with the volume, that means that your transaction can be absorbed by other orders. So we're seeing oil run up. And again, what we know with gap closure is 50% gap closure is there will be some type of gap closure. The amount of gap being closed is to be determined, but you still always have to reference certain levels. Again, not to belabor the point, we know oil's already moved $2. I would not be surprised if oil came back down to at least a 50% level of the move. The high right now is 90.72. The previous session's close is 89.24. I wouldn't be surprised to see them drop down to about 90 and then do a bounce. 90 is also yesterday's. 90 is also the opening price of today, the 9 o'clock open. So just be aware, be mindful of those levels.
Absolutely.
Also, oil has now moved $2.35.
That's way out of average.
Almost
Way out
50,
of average.
50 cents over their average, exactly. So to expect them to continue to run up, I mean, they can do whatever they want, but to expect that, probably not the smartest idea. But again, market participants can do whatever they want to do. So,
Yeah. But what we do kind of expect is for somebody to take profits at some point, because as it's been running up, we expect for profit taking.
right. That's a fact.
So when I enter this trade, you guys will see. I mean, when this trend changes, when the trend changes, it's going to place me in a trade automatically because we have algorithms that takes the trade for us. Just remember, no algorithm is going to make you rich. You have to have logic along with your trading and your algorithms, because algorithms just makes it better for you to enter into the trade. But it's not going to give you the logic that you need, and the logic that you need comes with screen time.
Order filled.
Come with screen time.
That's a fact.
Putting in the work, doing what you need to do.
Yep. And so again, closing price yesterday. If you were a market participant and you put an order in yesterday at the 89.23 price, and the market has now moved up about $1.50 from that level, and now you're up 1,500 per CL contract, I would assume you'd want to take some of that money off the table. So
Stop filled.
let's get it.
Two minutes for New York Open.
Order filled.
The ES is in a demand zone coming off of the range low. I don't even got some fun on this shit. All right, we got 1 minute. You see the opening tick comes on a minute before. I'm gonna take this trend trade to the upside.
Target filled.
Let them do what they need to do. Now, what I will say is, looking at this, since it's been so bearish all night, we got a psychological resistance up here at 15,000. So if it gets to this area, I will look to protect, but I am gonna move my stop up, my target up. So if it gets to that area, I'm gonna protect. If it wants to do a mean run, we're gonna run with it. If they want to close the gap, we're gonna close the gap with them. We're gonna close the gap with them. 23.6 could be some possible resistance. Needed to clear 15,000. run some more, we can run some more. I'm protecting all the way up. 38.2, maybe the next resistance area.
Order filled.
I'm cool with that. Next trade is going to be 4 contracts. So we're going 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. I didn't take that trade because the extreme wasn't there.
Top filled. Order filled.
Oil is just going crazy. There we go.
Order filled.
We in there. See how this trade still up here?
Order canceled.
All right. I got a trail that's gonna kick in, I think at 32.6. Times. Big, like a big push to the downside.
Order filled. Top filled.
That look like equal lows. Can't really see. NASDAQ came up to its projection, opened the low area, and looked like a rejection. Or we can draw a measure move from the low of the day to where it peaked out at and see that that's a 50%. So I might just move my stop a little bit low because the measured move says that 61.8 is more probable. So we're gonna go there. Pay a little bit more to see the show. NASDAQ's already moved 205 points already. So we want to see what else they got in them.
Pause.
Pause. There we go. There we go. That's what we need. This would be an amazing trade, man, if they close the gap. Real. It'll be an amazing day if they close the gap. There we go.
Top filled.
Great trade. Go.
That's a great trade. As you guys see, the market was moving close to the stop, but guess what?
Self-fill.
It didn't hit the stop. You put the stop where it needs to be, and you just keep trading. Let's go.
Yeah. Wish I would have got in at a lower, better price, but it's all good. B82. Next one, I'm going to be going in 2 contracts because we're sequencing. If I get a indication to go, it's going to be time to go. That's just that. Oil keep trying to press up to them. There we go.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. I need 32.6, so hopefully we can get it before it gets to yeah, we can get it before it gets to the 38.2. Yeah, so max contracts is 6 per trade. In a situation like this, I got another indication to go back long, so we're gonna
Order filled.
get in there when we need to, place the stop where it needs to be.
Self-filled.
Beautiful. Come on, give me my other 32 ticks. They trying to stall.
Target filled.
Oh, damn, I missed my cut on another one. Damn, I looked away real quick. Don't like these lower highs and lower lows. We're gonna see. Let me clear this out. Don't like that. But it could be bull flagging. Could be bull flagging. I need another higher high. There we go. Give me a higher high.
Order filled.
Come on. Come on. There we go.
Top filled.
There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now this looked like it's a false breakout now. Yeah, that was a false breakout, but I was able to get in like a sniper. Catch that. They really not trying to get past this area. But like I say, hey, listen. Got to do what they tell us to do. Time to go. Oh, this is the sequence, so I'm gonna go 4. Place my stop just below here. It gets me in.
Order filled. Top filled.
Good shit. Let's go. Damn. So right now, y'all, we are up $207 in this account. The goal is 500. I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling confident about the trades I'm taking. So we're gonna keep this train going.
Yeah. So also too, I think they're doing an amazing job right now with showing exactly how to trade. I mean, it's doing a great job.
Appreciate it.
Sir. So I just took an oil short. It came up near the previous day's high, ran it short. I mean, again, we spoke about it already. Textbook.
I don't know if I want to keep buying this up here with this NASDAQ.
Yeah,
They look like
they looking like they ready to break down.
but I don't want to take this
Order forbidden.
because of this area, this support right here.
Yeah.
Just trying to get to the button. But it's cool. We about to get to the check.
Yep.
Should I protect?
Target filled.
You can stop where it's at, man. Accept the loss if it needs to be.
Because at 8:30 during the news, they did hold that area.
Yeah.
Yep. Let's go.
We gonna get to a check.
Yes, sir.
Couldn't get there fast enough.
Top filled.
Oil was at an area yesterday that it got knocked down tremendously from.
Mm-hmm.
Same area though.
Same area. And I actually just exited the short. Right there, right where the bounce is. So, which was cool. It was cool to see. I marked off a level, and that was that.
Should have added to my position right there. There we go. There we go.
Sir. It's a great trade. Great.
Order canceled.
There we go. Damn.
All good? All good. All good. Crying on a recap or check? I can say for the ES, they could be potentially holding. We got to just be look out for the 4,400 level, which I'm going to mark that off just to give myself
also let me add too, real quick.
Mm-hmm.
The strategy that we have, it allows us. We have stuff built in that tells us what we are up for today. This is only going to show you 84.42 because it is what the trend trades. Remember, the algorithm is the trend trade. Now, me doing manually over here does not count in this equation right here. Keep that in mind.
I'm gonna just show a quick chart, oil, and then bring yours back up. So
Go ahead.
here is what I did. Again, we replicate a bunch of accounts to do it from. Entered short here. The market did not break this level initially. This is the $91 level that I saw from yesterday. So they did not break the level. I entered short off there, added a 20 tick trail, 20 and 3, and I recognize the 50-cent level as well because they're holding in this area. They probably want to stay high, so let me go and get this little small change, and then the market runs back up. Go back ahead, bro.
Yeah.
Stop fill.
That was a nice trade. Quick little check on let the trail kick. 11.4 looking like support. Not anymore. We are hour and 27 in to this live trading session, and we are up $234. So that's great. That's $200 an hour.
Can't beat that. Can't beat that. And up over here, we're up 450.
Shit.
That's it. And it's not even 10 o'clock yet. It's not even, we still got damn near 5 hours left, 6 hours left. So
Crying on the recap.
crying on the recap. With a check though.
So right now this account is at 51,360. $51,360. And I appreciate everybody, being on this journey with me. If you're coming in, if you're looking at it, if you're watching us live trade, do me a favor. Go click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Also like this video. It definitely helps us out. And if you want to be notified for more videos like this, hit the notification bell to get notified of more videos like this. Mm. Yesterday was so fucking just sitting around waiting. I do see a double top on oil though.
Yes, sir. This is the same level they got projected from. That $91 level we spoke about yesterday. You can see they've reached up about 7 more cents and got smacked. Yes, sir.
Ah, I missed my damn trade. Oh, I can still get in this. I'm glad I didn't take this trade because it's a psychological 50 right there. But, you know. No, I'm not glad. Huh.
Really bearish environment.
Yeah.
Dang. ES has moved 43 points. The NASDAQ at this point has moved 205 points. NASDAQ yesterday moved 308. ES yesterday moved 65. Could we see more of an expansion? Possibly.
Damn.
Here we have it. Crying.
So yeah, this right here was a false breakout, y'all. It was a false breakout. It consolidated to the downside, even though I did cash the check right there, but it was a false breakout in the definition of a bull flag. This was like a trap, sort of say. It was a trap. New lows for the NASDAQ.
Wow.
All I need is an extreme. Give me an extreme. Keep in mind, remember y'all, on pre-market, I put this level right here. Level of support right here.
Order filled.
90% of trading is waiting for your A+ setups. You don't want to just hop in because you see price moving in a certain direction. You know, you never want to do that. Never want to trade like that. I've made plenty of mistakes like that. I'm quite sure you've made plenty of mistakes like that.
Too many.
It's called FOMO, fear of missing out.
Fear of missing out. And you get FOMO because you don't trust your strategy. Like, if you understand your strategy and you trust your strategy, you understand that having FOMO is just detrimental to what you're trying to do. Your strategy says, when you get that opportunity, take the opportunity when you get it, and you'll be successful. That's it. Having FOMO just means that you don't trust your strategy and you don't think your strategy is good enough. So.
And you focus on the money.
We also got a natural gas report today at 10:30. Not sure if you mentioned that earlier. Natural gas.
I don't think I did. All right, so we are at 71.32 on the MFI. I needed to come up a little bit more in this green zone here. Up a little bit more. Doesn't seem like it want to give me my entry. You know, it's funny. People be like, "Man, that's too much. That's too much thinking. That's too much. Too much." And it's like, man, listen. You got to think all day, every day, anyway. So why not get paid for it?
That's a fact.
As always, y'all, there's always something that happens at 10 o'clock in the market every day. You'll see a quick move happen.
Yep. And today there is news at 10, existing home sales, but it don't move the market like that, right?
You never know.
I don't think existing home sales does, but yeah, as you're right, you never know. This might be the report that makes it do something.
But you can see the characteristics of the markets. The markets start to move a little bit slower.
Mm-hmm. That's a fact.
Not pulling back enough for me. Pull back to the 50 though. That could have been an opportunity. $9.59. Watch closely, y'all. Watch closely. You're gonna see a move come. You're gonna see a quick movement up in here.
Yeah. 20 seconds.
Come to lower.
NASDAQ is at its projected low deviation level 1. I see that. See how you start moving faster.
Yep.
I need to pull back to maybe up in this area here. I gotta open the door, man. I need some fresh air. All right. Oh, yeah, it didn't give me a pullback. I probably should have entered off of the 50. The psychological 50 right here when it pulled back here.
Mm-hmm.
That would have been a great trade.
Yeah. CNBC. Apologies. Get that. Now got them with the think or swim. But unnecessary right now.
Order filled.
NASDAQ is at the 80-yard low right now, which is 14,917. 14,917.25. That's the 80-yard low for NASDAQ.
And the same thing with the ES. They're right there at 20-day 80-yard low, as well as the 4,400 solid dollar. So we can we'll look to see if it holds the support. We'll look to see if it holds the support.
Oil slowly dripping down
off that 91 level we identified. It's the same move from yesterday.
Same move. Let's go.
They do the same thing every day, but differently. Oh man. They do the same thing every day, but differently.
I was kind of nervous about taking this trade here, man. 'Cause I don't know. I wanted to come a little bit more into the green.
Yeah.
I think I may change that to 80-20.
Change what?
This MFI
Gotcha. What do you have it on now? 70-30?
70-30.
Top filled.
It's a beautiful thing when you identify a level and then it just does exactly what it's supposed to do. Well, what it does that, it just happens.
Top filled.
You see a thing and it reacts.
Oh.
Oil just drip.
Order filled.
Oil move into a 50% gap close. If they hit $90.11, that'll be 50% gap closed. They're hovering at the 23.6 right now as well. So, ES looking to make a new low.
Come on, give me what I need. There we go. That's it. That's it right now. Ooh, I don't know if I
Order
can.
filled.
Ooh, hold on, let me take this off. That's a strong move right there.
That's a strong move. These are support spots that we called out. So it's no surprise that the market's doing that. No surprise at all.
To get to 23.6 or 75, I'll be looking to protect some more up there.
Be right back.
Trust in the process, let the trades play out how they're supposed to play out. But also be aware of where other market participants may be. This is the 50% of this move, so I'm protected. Let's go. Let's go. Keep going up. Keep going up there.
Order filled.
Keep going up there.
Order filled.
Why would I not?
Let's go. So from the let me show y'all something real quick.
Join the party.
So you can see it a little bit better. This is one of the reasons why I started to trail a little bit closer, because as you can see, I drew a Fibonacci from this swing high up here to this swing, to the swing low, which is the low of the day, and the 50% of this move is right there, and also the 23.6, and look at the reaction we get from it.
That's right.
Like if it want to go, if it want to blow past it, I mean, that's cool. But I know for my mental capital, I was able to protect some profits there. So this is actually more than what I think this is more than what my actual target was at anyway. But 229 points for the NASDAQ right now. Way more than its average. My next trade is going to be 2 micros, because that was just a 4 micro play. So if I get notification of when to go, it's time to go. It's time to go. Now, if you look at oil, bring this down.
Target filled.
Order filled.
Swing high on oil. Ooh, that's a nice move. From here to the swing low. Now, if oil want to make a move back to the upside, we looking to for a rejection either here, or there. NASDAQ got knocked down to 66%.
Mm-hmm.
So I know you guys, most people is used to, Fibonacci's with 61.8, 38.2. We have an added extra area because we want to have a zone, because it might not be 100% exact, but we have a zone that we can take a look at and place your stop where it needs to be if you need to. We got a
want to encompass the area.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's a fact.
Order filled.
We need 32 ticks. Can we get 32 ticks?
You're in the trade now?
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Damn.
Sir.
Come on, what? Yeah, we need 32 ticks.
Yeah.
So now that we have recognized where it can be rejected, we can also recognize where it could possibly be pushed up. So we need either these people here or these people here to help push it up. So I'm gonna move my stop a little bit here. We're gonna go from there. This could be a bearish flag forming or a bullish flag forming. So I say the bearish flag because of the previous swing high at 9:30, and then the low of the day. So I got an indication to add one more. We're gonna add two more contracts. Just remember the max contracts per trade is gonna be 6. No more than 6 contracts per trade. So we can get the 50% dip buyers from this move to that move there to come in. We may be okay, but it don't look like they're there right now. I'm gonna turn my button off for the trend. Oh, we got some comments, man. I ain't even paid no attention. What up, T-Bone?
Order filled.
Here we go. Minimal risk on this contract. We shooting up there. Trail kicking in at 32 ticks on that contract. Oil slowly getting down there. Slowly getting down there.
Slowly but surely.
All right, they're trying to push down. Good push, y'all.
Stop filled.
Keep pushing. 11-4. Is that you support? Yeah. Go. Push up.
Stop filled.
Push up. There we go. There we go. We're gonna break even better. Come on, we need 32 ticks on this contract, man. Y'all ain't done buying. on and get up there. 23.6 looking
Harder
like
fill.
23.6 looking like resistance. What y'all gonna do? Push up. There we go. Sometimes you gotta talk to these charts, man. You gotta talk to them, man. Let them know what you wanted to do.
Order
That's a
filled.
fact.
Since they acting a little weak, we're gonna protect a little bit more. Unless they want to push up and give me my 32 ticks. Let my trail kick in. Give me that. Give me that. Should be right about. Should have been it right there. Oh, this is. Hold on. What is this? Oh, this might be the trend trade. Okay.
Yeah. It looks like a trend trade to me.
Oh, no, it ain't.
No?
Let's
A lot of
go.
times you can't really.
Order
Let's
filled.
fucking go. Oh, let's go. That was beautiful.
I love. Don't man, love that shit.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Yep. Because at the end of the day, we get into a trade because if once you're a trader and you understand all the work that you have to have put in before, you understand the types of trails you need and all types of things like that. So when you get into the trade, there's nothing left to do unless you see specific points of support and resistance. But that's just what the chart tells you. With the actual trade, you got nothing left to do. Let it rock out.
Hey, sir. That was beautiful.
Yes, it was.
Now, this is a flag. This is a flag. That's the flag pole.
Oh,
Oh, this is the this is supposed to be the flag here. Boom. And it's a bullish continuation pattern. Bullish
you
continuation.
think it's a pull for a long?
Here. Crazy murder. Here. All right, y'all. So we up $339 today. In this account. We are at 51,466. $51,466.36. So we got about $160 more to go. About $160 more to go. Oil trying to run back up.
Off that 50% level. I think this swing low for oil is the swing low right here is 90.25. The 50% level would have been $90.11, so about 10 to 15 cents off of that 50% level, and you see the big bounce. So again, respecting the 50% levels. Sure.
50%. Where you see? Hold on. How you draw yours?
Measuring
Just
from
show
the
your
high to
screen.
the close. Not the date, not the day's 50%. No, it's the I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll go. Where we going? Oh, I gotta do that. Then this. Okay. Boom. Entire screen. We're gonna look at oil. Okay. So if we take a look. So we have the closing price here, daily high. If I draw a measure move, you can see from the high to the closing price. I'm actually gonna expand this out this way. 50% level. $90.10.
They trying to run back up. Look at them.
And so you can see this level, as we called, as we said, they respect these 50% levels. So that is here. This pink band is the top, is the ADR high. 50%, let's give it a range right here. And they respected it. From the close. Ran up, you know what the high is. Here's the close, 50%, bounce from here. That's a 40-cent move. That's $400 per CL contract. That's trading. Let's go.
$15,000 knockdown on the NASDAQ. We got a go time to go long. So buttons is on. It's either
Order filled.
Can we get another bull flag? Let's see.
Order filled.
ES just approached their opening price and got knocked down.
So we can try to we can draw a fib and see where our stop need to be. 11.4, 38.2. We there. I'm not really looking to take any more shorts, honestly. But it's been so bullish. I mean, it's so bearish. We just need 32 ticks, man. That's all we need. 32 ticks. Let's go.
What up, P? What up, P? Process P.
Oh, what up, Pedro?
Process P.
Stop filled.
All right, that's our first loss for the day.
I have an echo.
No.
That's what Pedro just said. I think it's coming from you. When I speak, it's echoing on your side.
Order filled.
Is that right, Pedro? All right.
So that last trade, we was up 300 something. So now we only up 173.94. So we got some more work to do.
Order filled.
All right. This button down here. The stop is where it needs to be. Now we're gonna measure out to where the target needs to be as well. There. Oops.
Target filled.
All this movement going on. I mean,
Right.
all that previous movement that went on. And 30 natural gas. 1 minute natural gas.
Natural gas is like they're moving right on up.
So, in this type of situation, you know, when you that's where I should have drew my fib from. I think I'm gonna take a position, man. Too late now. But this 50% of this from the low to the 38.2 here. Natural gas news made oil drop a little bit.
Yep.
I think I'm gonna get in a position here, man. Place my stop at the level 4. With this 50% move here.
Order filled.
Try to front run this.
Yep.
Target filled.
There you go.
Well, just keep in mind this is a counter. This is going to be a counter trend trade, but
Order filled.
I'm basing it off of the 50% of this move from the low of the day to the 38.2. I'm accepting the risk as well, so that's that. I see a lot of resistance. I mean, a lot of support down here. That was beautiful. You know what I'm saying?
Same here. A lot of support down there.
Oh. Great exit. Ooh, great exit. Great exit, man. In the same area again, man. Same area again. How many times is it gonna tell us a thing? I feel like going short. Let's go short. I ain't gonna do that. Oh, you know what? Fuck it. Trust in your setup. Trust in the process. You know what we need.
Order filled.
32 ticks. You know what we need, 32 ticks. $75 right there. This could be a possible continuation to the downside. Where we going?
Order filled.
I'm still echoing.
I never heard of that. All right, so it's going against this. But we do have another indication to sell. So we're gonna go in. We're gonna go in two more. If the bar closes down, we're gonna draw a fib.
Yep.
From here to there.
Man, them break-even buttons are the truth, but
Yeah.
sure.
We're gonna move our stop up just a little bit more, just to pay a little bit more to see the show to the 38.2. Because he got knocked down here before. Risk accepted. And 1,500 right there too. 15,000.
Yep. Risk accepted.
Order filled.
Oh damn, what was that?
Stop filled.
All right, so we got stopped out of there. So now we are we only up $22 now. So still got more work to do, y'all.
More work to do. More work to do. What I can say is for the ES, it's like they found a base down there. You know, they ran up a little bit, they came down, they didn't make a lower low. So they just looking like they're trying to get back up top.
Yeah.
So I will say I was in a trade.
Order
The
filled.
trend changed, but I moved my stop at the low today. This is the discretion. And it is running up now. So that's just what it is.
Yeah.
And I also got to reset my algos. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. This is where discretion comes in.
Stop filled.
All right, I think we ate into our drawdown about a good 300. A little bit over 300. So it's all good.
What size of council you want?
50K.
50K.
Okay. Ate into the drawdown, but it's all good. Back, we are at extreme right here. Got an extreme.
Order filled.
Oil moving back up to the upside. Just as we said, it was 50% reaction.
Go. Next trade.
Next trade. So we're actually going to take this trend trade here, presenting itself.
Stop filled.
Next trade.
But again, they did reject off this level before, so I'm actually going to button off. I need them to run through that level.
Order filled.
So what I'm actually gonna do is, yeah, that was a vicious knockdown off that level. So I'm going to put a region here, that level. 4413 looks like it could be a spot of an issue. It could be an issue, so I need to see them break above that for me to transact. That's the opening price. That is the opening price. CL 9080 holding on. Yeah, that's a nice little resistance spot as well, Pedro. Yes, sir.
Top filled.
And the 80, I'm putting a region on that as well. Yep. Just that whole 91 level, just that whole, like I assume there would be a big supply zone up there. Supply zone starting at 9080 and ending at 9107. Just a thick supply zone. So, and again, oil has already moved their range, so I don't expect them to be more than who they say they usually are. They usually move $2. They've given $2. So, and at this point, I see more of a move to the downside because they have failed to make a higher high. The high today is 90.80, so they made that high at about 9:50 in the morning. It's been about an hour. They tried to come back up there and got rejected. Tried to come up there, got rejected. Third time, got rejected. So that's just a series of lower lows. The tool says uptrend, but you gotta use discretion. What has the market been saying? The market has been trying to get up there, but it hasn't. Also, ES just got rejected off that level I drew. 44.13, that's the opening price. That's a 4-point move to the downside. That's $200. And now they're doing it again. That's trading.
Order
Ain't even
filled.
about the money. But again, it could break higher, but at the moment, 44.13 is a level of resistance on the ES. We gonna see what they do.
Yeah.
We gonna see what they do.
Let me see what you looking like, Dacky.
Order filled.
Okay. Uh, 50% of the move was here. I want to see what they want to do. CL just in La La Land. Got another indication of go time to the upside.
Top filled. Order filled.
Do what the chart tells us to do. We in our max contracts, which is 6. We're looking for 32 ticks on each contract, which is going to be in different places. Place our stop at the 50% of this current move, which is from the low to this swing high up here. 50% is right there. This was a level of resistance and it broke through. Now it's support. Should be support. We're gonna see. Oil bounced off the 38. I mean, off the 23.6. Oil is fighting, boy. They just will not go down.
They just don't want to. They're holding that 23.6, man.
They do not want to go down.
Yep. But I'm seeing a clean rejection off the opening price on ES. That's 8 points to the good. 8 points to the good. It's a $400 move. Tell me why we wouldn't launch it.
Target filled.
Yeah, see, if I would have looked at my prep chart, I would have noticed that they just got knocked down from this area at 9:30. So I don't even know why I'm trying to go back long.
Mhm. Yep.
So what I can do is accept the risk and take it down to the 61.8 of this move. That's my last line of hope.
Yeah.
Last line of hope.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 9:30 didn't shoot it down.
Got it down 15.020.
Mm-hmm.
If y'all can't see this 61.8 move right here. There we go. Here to there. 61.8. This was support before.
Mhm.
Area where we at, it was support before. I got this line drawn on my other chart. That line right there. That was support before.
Yep. Yeah, Will is struggling. But again, they're at a spot where they did a big bounce earlier as well. Big bounce up to the 975s. So they are dripping down now, slowly but surely.
Slowly drip.
Just as we said it would.
Slow drip.
Top filled.
Hmm.
75, 23.6, 50% move. We looking for support, y'all. Looking for support.
Target filled.
We're looking for support. We got a lot of selling pressure coming in.
Yep.
Looking for support.
Same level on oil, bouncing up. They came to the same level and bounced up crazy. So if you were short in oil, why wouldn't you take profit right there? Or at least trail out. So, yep.
It's probably gonna be our last trade today, y'all. We are down 200. So that's like a $500 swing. Don't like going into drawdown, but hey, That's what happened. And we ain't doing no binks, man. We don't bink over here, man. We ain't binking over here, Pedro. Creating our own lane. Boy, somebody just sitting there like, no, it's not going down. No, it's not going down. I mean, at some point, they got to take profit, man. Like, y'all done ran up all night. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
At some point, you got to.
Filled.
Oh, damn. That's what y'all doing? Damn. Let me go ahead and button off. And 10:54. Log the trade in the Google Sheet. Do the entry on that. 21. Risk.
Be right back.
Yes, sir.
Looking like, ooh, they trying to come for my stop. They trying to come for my stop.
Order filled.
They look at it from the phone like, what they
Stop
doing?
fill.
Order filled. Target filled.
Trying to come for my stop. Pedro. Got confidence I got confidence in the Dacky though.
Yes, sir. Me too.
Got confidence in the Dacky.
Gotta have it.
Stop fill.
We can get some buying pressure. Get some buying pressure to the upside. We'll be all right.
That's a fact.
If not, we'll be done for the day, y'all. Shit.
So if only that move from the 38.2, 15.05 to the 23.6 and the MQ was perfect happens again, we know what to do. Let me see what he's talking about. 38.2. Oh, okay. Yeah. Golden ratio slap. Wow. Yeah. Yep. Mhm. So again, I just shot the oil down to the 50% move of the close. Just shot that down. Got up out that trade. Right there. We already spoke about 90.11 being that spot to respect. That's 50%. So we got up out of there. And again, those who were not on our 4, we spoke about what happens at the oil 50% level. So if the high is at $90.98, we know the closing price was $89.23. I'm gonna draw. We already have this band right here. It marks the 50% level. So if I go and zoom in to that same spot right now, if I zoom into the spot right now, I can't even do it. Oops. We know to protect there. So we got up out of there, and look at the move. This oil respects 50%. If I didn't tell you nothing, that's one thing you have to know. Oil respects 50%. If you try to short the 50% and you don't take profit there, you're not chilling there, and it goes against you, and you get clapped, you have been warned. Oil respects 50%, and they've been doing it for the past month like crazy. There must be an algorithm going on there that is just saying 50% we buying it, or 50% we shorting it. That is probably the most perfect exit I ever had in my life. Exit at 90.13. The low of this candle was 90.08. From 90.08, that is a 40-cent move. That's a $400 move in oil. Get up out these folks' way.
Order
That's
filled.
trading. As we said, that's trading.
Why you ain't take that trend trade?
I'm at daily go.
Oh, okay.
Daily go met. Daily go met. So, yes, sir. What you got brewing over there?
Shit, I'm just, letting it play out.
Yes, sir.
We gonna hit this target though, or we gonna trail out.
That's a fact.
We gonna trail out because this is a lot of support down here.
When did you draw that level up? It seems to really, really be respected.
Well, I just drew this one, but this one was previous. I just drew this one because it was like boom, 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 bounce. This was a double bottom here, boom, shot up. Y'all know what y'all want to do. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Run it up. Run it up. Yes, sir. Looking at this volume shit, man, be so interesting.
Filled.
Waiting and trading, trading and waiting.
I don't like this volume coming in, man.
Also, I want to take the time to reiterate Apex Trader Funding. They do have a sale going on right now, 80% discount on all size accounts for evaluations for the first month and 80% off for recurring months as well. That sale ends September 27th at midnight. See the link in the description for more information. We had a discount code. You see it on the bottom of the screen. It's also in the link in the description. Let's get it. Am I good? I'll meet him downstairs. You just text the number. All right. Last thing I wanted to mention. I think Crypto mentioned this earlier. If you are confident in your trading decisions and want to have that replicated to many other accounts, Flowbots has a tool called Replicanto. Use the 20% discount code. You just connect 20. See the description in the video for more. Let's get it. Also, it looks as though the market is very bearish, especially from the news from yesterday. So I think we'll down.
Target filled.
ES now has moved 51 points today. Yesterday they moved 65. The DACI, they moved yesterday 308. They have now moved 229.
So yeah, it got me. I'm actually all right. So we down 442 for the day. After being up 300, I don't like that swing. Should have. Should have. Every trade was every trade was a trade. So today we are red, 442.42. Oh, 42.42. And let me pull up a trade performance for that today. All right. So here we go. We left down 442. Yeah, that was a bad. This was a bad day. But in the grand scheme of things, there we go. Should have took the wins to the house. But we had a goal to go hit. It wasn't done. But guess what? Still green for the week. This is what's most important. We still green for the week. All right. So we're gonna wrap this up. We will be back to y'all tomorrow with some more live trade. We're gonna push this account to 53,000. That's our goal. So green for the week, red for the day. That's just that. All right, so that's it for me, man. I got these other accounts I need to tap into, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if y'all want to get informed of more videos, more lives. And yeah, check us out. Signing out, crypto. Let's go.
Yes, sir.